Hey, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, we're gonna make a vertical menu from scratch. So like this. So here you can see that when I scroll to the bottom, the here I have added an icon. So when I scroll to the bottom, the icon will rotate, and when I scroll to the top, the icon will rotate also. So here you can see that when I go above, the icon is rotating, and when I go below, the icon is also rotating. So let me go to start, and if I click or hover on this icon, the vertical menu will appear. And by using this menu, you can move your site from one section to another section, and you can also add here the links of the other pages. So like here, if I go to about section, it will go to the about section. If I click the services, it will go to the services, and like portfolio and contact too. Okay, so okay, the first here I added the logo. This is a random logo, so I don't find any good logo here. Here you can use any company logo or whatever you want, and here I have added the links. Here you can also add your website, another pages, and here are the social icons. Okay, and this is the cross button. So if you go below and top, the icon will rotate with an animation. And okay, so this is our menu, and in this video we're gonna make this from scratch. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share the videos. Let's get started. Okay, so for making this menu, vertical menu, I am using the official Elementor theme, which is the Hello Elementor theme. And the plugins which I am using for making these menus are the Elementor and the Elementor Pro version. Okay, so these are the two main plugins which are required for making this vertical menu. Okay, so let's go to the templates and open the theme builder. Okay, so for making this menu, we have okay no, let's go back. We don't have to go to the theme builder, we have to go to the templates, then go to the pop-ups. Okay, because the menu which you are seeing, it is a pop-up, and which is coming from the left direction when I click on this icon. Okay, so let's go to the pop-ups, and here I have added the previous. Let me start from the scratch. New vertical. Let's name it. Okay, so for making this menu, we need a logo. Choose your company logo or the logo you want, and some social icons. Okay, so this is a very basic menu, and if you want to add such type of animation, the logo is rotating and all, you can watch this video and learn how to do that. Okay, so let's go. So okay, so this is the navigator, and you can activate it from here. And for this video, we're going to use the Elementor Flexbox container, which is based on the CSS Flexbox property. If you know the CSS, this will be easy for you. Okay, so okay, so first of all, we have to go to the pop-up setting. Go to the pop-up setting, and here do it fit to screen, and make it horizontal here. Okay, okay, so let's get started. So first, we have to make the background color like this. Like here you can see that the background color is little bit dark. Okay, so let me add a container first. Okay, so this is a container. Okay, so let's go to the style and go to background type, and let's go here and use this dark color. Okay, so let me go to the image. So you have to go to the image, and I'm gonna use the same logo which I have already uses here. Okay, so you can use any logo you want. I'm going to use the same logo. Okay, so let me make this size little bit. Okay, okay. So let me first add the full content, and then we're gonna make the design. Okay, so first, I think the background color is not working here. So let me go to the pop-up page, pop-up setting, and from here we're gonna make this background color black. Okay, Okay, so this is black. Let me go here. Let me go here and okay, okay. Let me go to the container. Go to styles and just delete it. Okay. So now it's looking good. So like here you can see that our menu width is very small. So we have, for doing it, we have to go to the pop-up setting, and from here we can adjust its width. So let me do the width this. Okay. I think this is looking same. Okay, let me choose 215 and just click on this. Just go to the image and make it full. Okay, so this is full. Okay, so our first is ready. So here you can see that in the image I have added some border radius. For adding the border radius, go to image and go to styles, then go to border radius and add the border radius according to you. I'm going to add the 10 pixel. Okay, so let's move to the next section. Here we have a menu. So this is the heading. So let me go to here and drag and drop this. Okay, so let me first show you what is the, if I go to the container, we have to make it column. If I make it this, it will go here. Okay, so I think you know this. Let me make it justify center and make it align center. Okay, so let me go here and in the caps we have to write links. Let me change the color. Okay, so let's change the font. You can choose any font you want. Let me increase the font weight. Okay. Okay, so the next step is to add this menu. So for adding the menu, go to the widget and search here menu. When you search here, you will get the WordPress menu. Okay, so just drag and drop this. So like here, you can see that the menu is in the horizontal direction, but we have to make it vertical. So make it vertical. So it will align like this. Then you can see that this is the text is starting from the left direction. So we have to make it its alignment center. So now it's center. Okay, so now we have to make this font. So let me go to here and I don't remember the font, so I am here using the different font. Okay, so let me choose this one. Okay, so let change its color. Okay, so like here you can see that when I hover, it's going yellow. If you want to do that, here I'm gonna make it reddish. Okay, so on the hover it will be reddish, and also the pointer color I'm gonna make the same. Okay, this is looking nice like this. Okay, so the let's move to the next section. For the next section, we have added the follow button. So for adding the follow button, just go to links, just copy it and go to here and paste it. So it will paste it below. So write it here, follows. Okay, then go to widgets and search here social. Just drag and drop the social icons. So like here you can see that it come in the row direction. For making it in the vertical direction, we have to go to the columns and make it one. So it will be in this like this. So like here you can see that we are getting in this circle. So for making it circle, we have to go to the content and from here make it circle. Okay, so go to styles and from here just play with the size you want. Okay, so I like 15 and for giving the space just add the row gap. Okay, let's go to content and here and from here we have to change, we have to add one more. Let's add LinkedIn. Okay, so the LinkedIn is added. And if you want to change the color of this, you can go to styles and from official go to custom. And from here you can change the color. Okay, you can change the color like this. So, uh, okay, so let us change like this. Okay, so in this way you can change the color, but I am going to keep the official color. Okay, okay, so like now, so you can see that our menu is almost ready in a no time. Okay, so here you can see that it is looking like this. It has some space. Okay, so for adding the space, click to link, click to advance, then add some margin from the top and do same for this. Go to advance and add some margin from the top. Here we have added 20. Let's make it 20. Also let's make it 20. Okay, so it is working fine. So here you can see that I have the cross button which is in white color. So if you want to make this white color, then go to this pop-up settings. From the settings here, then go to advanced, go to styles. From here you will get the close button. Here you will got the option to add. Okay, just go here and choose any color you want. Okay, so this is, and if you want to increase its size, go to close button, and you here you will get the option to increase the size. Let me increase this. Okay. Okay. So this is almost ready. Okay, if you want to change the color and all, let me change the font. Any similar font, we use this. No. Okay, so use any font you want. Okay, let's use this and increase some font weight. Okay, so this is looking good. So now, so like here you can see that when I click it, it is coming from the left direction. Okay, and when I go, it will goes to the left direction. Okay, so for making it, we have to go to the pop-up settings, and from here go to the entrance animation. From here, set slide in left, and for the exit, choose slide out left. Okay, and make the timing 0.7. Okay, so this is ready. Let's publish. And here you have to and here don't add any condition, because we're gonna pop up this menu by clicking on the button. Okay, icon. So let me show you how to add this moving button. Okay, so right now that pop-up is used here, which I made the previous. So let me go to edit here, and now I'm gonna show you the way how to add this pop-up. Okay, and if you want to get some free SVG images, you can go here, svgrepo.com. It is a very great website to get free SVGs. Okay, okay, so here I am added. So I'm going to show you how to add this from scratch. Okay, so when I click this, the previous pop-up will open. So I'm going to add a new icon, and from where the new pop-up will open, or the new menu. Let me search your menu. And when you search your menu, you will find many icons. So let me choose this. Okay, so let's go back to our editor, and from here, okay, so here you can see that I have a section and a column, and inside this column we have the menu icon. Okay, okay, so let me add one more icon. Go to icon, and from here just drag and drop the icon, or you can drag and drop anywhere. Let me drag and drop here. Okay, so let's go to the upload SVG and choose the file which we have downloaded. Just insert the menu. Okay, so light, so here it's come. So go to advanced, then go to width and make it inline auto, and then go to position, make it fixed, so it will come here. And from here you can adjust the horizontal and the vertical direction. Then from vertical, add it here, and from the horizontal you can adjust like this. So I'm gonna add it just below it. Okay, okay, so this is ready. So let me show you how you can make it move. So just go here, go to advanced, then go to motion effects, then then go to first one, scrolling effect. Then after activating the scrolling effect, you have to go to rotate. Just click on the rotate. Okay, so when you scroll, it will rotate like this, like you can see that. Okay, so our this part is ready. So let's move to the next part, where we have to show, when I click on this menu, the pop-up will open. Okay, so let's click on the menu, then go to here link, then go to here tags, then go to pop-ups. Then after going to pop-ups, click the setting icon, then go to all and search here the name of the menu which we have made. Okay, so we have made the new vertical menu, so it will appear. Okay, so let's update. So after updating, let's refresh the page. So after refreshing the page, you can see that our both two icons are ready. If and it is rotating perfectly when I go bottom and when I go above in the website. And okay, so when I click the first, this menu is coming, and when I click the second menu is coming. Okay, so I think there is some. Okay, forget it. Okay, so our the second menu is working fine. I think there is some problem in the first menu. So leave it. Our second menu is working fine. If I click, so let me go to the home. Let me delete it. I think it's causing some effect. Let's update the video again, home page again, and let's refresh. Okay, so if I go below, it's working, and if I go top, it is rotating perfectly. And if I click here, the menu is working fine. And if I cancel, it is goes back. Okay, so here you can see that when I open it, it is coming the black color in the background. So if you don't want to add this black color, then go to the pop-up setting here, pop-up setting, then go to. Okay, so if you don't want to add this black color in the background, so you have to go to the pop-up settings, go to the pop-up setting from here, and from here go to the styles, and then go to overlay, and from here you go to the overlay, and from here you can change its color. Okay, so here you can edit this and make it transparent. So when you make it transparent, it will appear in the background. Okay, so let me update it. So let's refresh it one more time. Okay, so like here you can see that it is perfectly visible, and when I click on it, it is perfectly working. When I click the services, it is going to the services in portfolio contact, and this is also working. Okay, so in this way you can add the vertical menu to your website by by adding an icon which is rotating like this. Okay, so I hope you like our video. If you don't subscribe to the channel, subscribe it and like and share our video with your friends. I'm gonna see you next time.